Hello, good day everyone. For today's tutorial, we are demonstrating on how to install Kali Linux into your device and also on how to scan vulnerabilities in your website using Necto tools. To install Linux, first choose a distribution and download the ISO file, then create a bootable USB drive using a tool like Balling Next, boot your computer from USB drive by changing the boot order in your BIOS setting. And then follow the on-screen installer to partition your hard drive and create a user account and complete the installations.
So, we use Necto as an ethical hacking tools. So, first is what is Necto? Necto it is an open source web server vulnerability scanner that perform comprehensive tests against web server to find vulnerabilities, misconfiguration, and updated software. So, ethical hacker use Necto because it is a vulnerable web server scanner that identifies vulnerabilities such as dangerous files, outdated software, and server configuration. So, error configuration error to help secure system. So, by using Necto, they can find and report weaknesses before malicious hacker can exploit them, helping to improve the overall security of an organization's web presence. So, by using Necto, it is pre-installed in the Kali Linux. So, kung gusto kang gamitin Necto, just type Necto slash H. So, parang open mo siya.
So in this portion, the most important portion of this video is how I will demonstrate on how to scan a vulnerability of a website. So first, let us open the Kali Linux terminal, which is have two main engine, the PowerShell and the um, root terminal emulator. But in this uh, in this in this type of scanning method is we use terminal, the PowerShell terminal. So all you have to do is to type nec2 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 dash h, and let's type the I will show you this one, the cyber get cyber.me, and we added SSL to find the IP address of this kind of website. So if this website is listening, it should give us the target port and also the IP address of this website. So let us wait. So here it is. It has the multiple IP address. So the target IP, which is 172.219.217, and the target host name, the cyber get cyber.me, and the target port is 443. So it is listening to the call. So this is where the um, the server is the Cloudflare. So we've scanned that it has an uncommon header serving time found with multiple values. So here you can find the vulnerabilities and issues of the Get Cyber that me SSL. So let's try it again, but with only the Get Cyber that me without the SSL. So first is we must so this one. So if we so multi it has the port of ET, so it already changes from target IP 172 get cyber. So target um, host name is the get cyber, so it has a target port of ET, and um, So the start time is 2025 10 14. So here you can see the vulnerability of this could be it has uncommon header, speculation rules, found contents at CGI speculation, and header found in advertising is TTP. The endpoint is 440. Cannot test HTTP over the developer. So in a respond in the content security policy report only. So I think that's all. That's what you can see in as far as we've known. That is the only part of the what we call the scan vulnerabilities. So we can't go any further. So I think that's all on how we can and that's all of the demonstration on how to um, scan vulnerabilities of a website. So that's all. Thank you, everyone.